I'm Alex Earle. I'm a custom bike builder, designer, rider, and we're out here with Harley-Davidson shooting a model year 24. I just like to be in the outdoors. I very much like to be in remote places without a lot of people is kind of a primary directive for me. So when I discovered mountain biking and dirt bikes and certainly then adventure bikes later and realized what they had to offer, yeah, then it was just like a no-brainer for me. I have a Pan America of my own that I've been riding for about 2 years, and I love what we're doing today with this model year 24 shoot. I've been riding this Pan America CVO, which is a brand new model this year. I got to ride this around Bend, Oregon, the Painted Hills, some really beautiful country, spectacular, some of the most beautiful areas in the US. It's a really beautiful bike and this incredible paint job, and I think the fit and finish on that is really impressive. But it functions as it looks. That's what I like about it. What appeals to me is just the simplicity and the honesty of the design and how clear the design is and how each of the functional components are represented so clearly. The fuel tank, it's very graphic and obvious. The V-twin is very clear, an icon of Harley-Davidson design, and it's very honest in its purpose. You know, it kind of speaks to the whole American spirit of adventure and self-reliance and independence. It just seems obvious that a bike like this would come from a company like Harley-Davidson. They were building bikes at the turn of the century that were designed to be very robust. They were operating on dirt roads back then, and that's in the DNA of these bikes. And when I ride one of these, I feel the robustness. I feel like that has a definite place and it's a benefit for an adventure bike.